Hey Autofiber team, have you ever wondered if you should use a mitt, towel, or sponge for rinseless wash? Well, I'm going to show you our choice today. Come check it out. You've probably already guessed it. It's the Double Flip towel from Autofiber, and it's designed specifically for use with rinseless wash. Now, why do we like the Double Flip? The Double Flip is great because it can be folded into 4 distinct clean sections, which is important because we always want to be wiping with a clean section of towel. And the package comes with 3 towels, which means you can toss all 3 in your rinseless wash bucket and have 12 total clean sides for washing. The problem with using traditional towels is when you fold them, it's easy to lose track of the clean side, and as you're folding and unfolding during wash, they lose their form. With the Double Flip, it has a sewn edge, which makes it keep its square shape at all times. The other great thing about the Double Flip is you can put your hand in it almost like a mitt, which makes it great for cleaning things like door jambs. You can see why we love the Double Flip towel from Autofiber, and if you love the Double Flip, you're gonna love the Wheel Flip as well, which is designed for cleaning wheels. Come check us out at Autofiber.